Okay, now we'll continue with the exercise. Find the integrating factor of the following differential equations by transforming them into linear form. Now, what is your linear form? dy by dx plus py equal to q. You always keep this in your mind. dy by dx plus py equal to q. So, you observe dy by dx doesn't have any coefficient. That means 1 is its coefficient. So, here in the given question, we have x dy by dx minus y equal to 2x square secant square 2x. So first we have to write this equation in this form. That means we have to divide this equation with x. Okay, so this becomes dy by dx minus 1 by x into y equal to 2x square secant square 2x by x. Okay, here our question is only to find integrating factor. So comparing this one and the standard form dy by dx plus py equal to q, you can clearly analyze here p is equal to minus 1 by x. So p is equal to minus 1 by x. I have to find integrating factor. So if is equal to e power integral p dx. So this is equal to e power integral minus 1 by x dx. So we know integral 1 by x dx is log x. So this is equal to e power minus log x. Okay, so since there is a minus sign, this is e power log x inverse, which is nothing but e power log 1 by x. So we already discussed e power log is equal to f of x. So the answer is 1 by x. So integrating factor for this question is 1 by x. So whenever differential equation is given to you, first express it in the linear form, that is dy by dx plus py equal to q. So that's why I divided with this equation with x. So dy by dx minus 1 by x into y is equal to 2x square secant square 2x by x. In this question, he has just asked you to find the integrating factor. So we are restricting our work only to find the integrating factor. So here if we compare these two equations, we understand p is equal to minus 1 by x. So integrating factor formula is e power integral p dx, which is equal to e power minus integral 1 by x dx. So e power minus log x. So this is e power log x inverse. So which is e power log 1 by x, which is equal to 1 by x. Let's do another one. Now see, this is our equation. So this also has to be changed to this form. dy by dx plus py equal to q. So here we have to divide this equation with 1 plus x square. So dy by dx plus 2x by 1 plus x square minus 4x square by 1 plus x square equal to 0. Okay. Now, in the standard form, dy by dx plus py equal to q. That means this term has to be written in the right hand side. So, dy by dx plus 2x by 1 plus x square into y equal to 4x square by 1 plus x square. Now comparing these two equations, you can identify p is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square. Therefore, if is equal to e power integral p dx. So that is equal to e power integral 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Now this integral here is in the form integral f dash of x by f of x dx, because derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. So this is in the form f dash of x by f of x, for which the answer is log f of x. Therefore this is e power log 1 plus x square. So e power log, that means we get only the function. So this is equal to 1 plus x square. So integrating factor is 1 plus x square. So first you have to write whatever equation is given to you, you have to first write it in the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. So y coefficient is a function in x that will remain in the left hand side, and a function completely in x is your q, so that has to be shifted to right hand side. So in these two questions we have restricted ourselves to finding only the integrating factor. Now next we will be solving two more questions in this model. Now he is asking us solve the following differential equations. That means we have to completely solve this. Now this one is already in the form. Your question is dy by dx plus 3x square by 1 plus x cube into y equal to 1 plus x square by 1 plus x cube. This is already in the linear form. So dy by dx plus py equal to q. So on comparing these two, you can understand p equal to 3x square by 1 plus x cube and q is equal to 1 plus x square by 1 plus x cube. Now first we will find integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal to e power integral p dx, which is equal to e power integral 3x square by 1 plus x cube dx. Now, derivative of 1 plus x cube is 3x square. So, this is again in the form integral f dash of x by f of x. So, this is equal to e power log 1 plus x cube. So, e power log is there. So, answer is 1 plus x cube. So, this is my integrating factor. Now, I have to write the solution. So, solution of the given linear differential equation is y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor. Y is the variable y, integrating factor is 1 plus x cube equal to integral q is 1 plus x square by 1 plus x cube into integrating factor is 1 plus x cube dx. So here these two get cancelled. We are left with integral 1 plus x square into dx. Now integrate this. Integral 1 dx is x. Integral x square dx is x cube by 3 plus your constant. So solution of the given differential equation is y into 1 plus x cube equal to x plus x cube by 3 plus c. Okay, let's see another question. Dy by dx minus y tan x equal to e power x secant x. Now this is already in the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. Your p is minus tan x. This is your p. So from comparing these two, p equal to minus tan x, q equal to e power x secant x. First I have to find integrating factor, which is e power integral p dx. So e power minus, because p is negative, so I'm keeping that minus sign before the integral sign. Okay, minus integral tan x dx. We know the formula for integral tan x dx, which is e power minus log secant x. Okay, again minus, so this becomes e power log 1 by secant x, because to remove this minus sign we write e power log secant x whole inverse, which is e power log 1 by secant x. So my integrating factor is 1 by secant x. Okay, now solution of linear differential equation is y into, if equal to integral q into if. So here y into 1 by secant x equal to integral e power x secant x into integrating factor 1 by secant x dx. So secant x gets cancelled. Integral e power x dx, which is equal to e power x plus c. So this is the solution. So I hope all of you are able to catch it. Here given question is dy by dx minus y tan x equal to e power secant x. So this is already in the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. You have to identify what is p and q. So on comparing these two, you can clearly understand p equal to minus tan x and q equal to e power x secant x. Okay, so I'm finding the integrating factor, which is e power integral p dx, which is e power minus sign, which I am putting before the sign, integral tan x dx, which is equal to e power minus log secant x. Integral tan x dx formula is log secant x. So minus is there, which is log secant inverse, which is log 1 by secant x, which is equal to 1 by secant x. So solution of linear differential equation is y into integrating factor is equal to integral q into integrating factor. So y into 1 by secant x equal to integral e power x secant x into 1 by secant x. So secant x gets cancelled. We are left with integral e power x dx, which is equal to e power x plus c. Okay, try doing these two questions. We'll be doing some more questions in our next session. Okay.